So welcome back once again to another video of the series technical analysis, the daily technical analysis. In this video series we are analyzing every major coin and even the non-major coins as well. Technically, complete pure technical analysis. We see their prospects in the past as well. We look at the future prospects for the longer terms as well, short time frame as well. So today the coin that we have chosen to analyze, it's the famous coin. It's the second largest coin, also known as Ethereum. I hope most of you are familiar with this coin. So without any wasting time, let's just hop right into the analysis. Well, I don't have to tell you about the past of this coin. It has been very famous coin. It's performed very beautifully. There was a time that people were believing that Ethereum could take over somehow Bitcoin as well. It was such a good coin. However, the Bitcoin is a major coin. It's the leading coin, so it always determines the trend. So this was the turning point for Ethereum as well. It is the same trend line as I have shown you in the last video. It was the same trend line for the Cardano as well. This trend line can be spotted, I would say, in most of the coins, the major coins, or the big market cap coins. Let's say like BNB, Cardano, VeChain, Ethereum, and all those big coins that have been in the play for like a lot of time. You can see these trend lines that have been broken down, and there's a trend reversal from that place. So the current scenario, you can see that currently the Ethereum is also, just like any other coin, it is trading below the 21 moving average on the daily time frame as well. Well, if we look at the weekly, we might have another insight. On the weekly, it is also way below the line also. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so what happened last night? In the last 3 days, you can see these three candles, 1 2 3. There was a last support that everybody, or the major analysts I have been hearing, and some of my friends, they were very cautious about this trend line. They were thinking of this place to be a major support line for Ethereum. However, you can see that what happened today is that there's another story on Ethereum, that Ethereum has broken down below this, let's say, the support level. So there is a similarity. There is some kind of similarity in this, in these last couple of days in Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. So let's suppose hypothetically this is the consolidation, the same consolidation we can see in the Bitcoin as well. You can see this same consolidation you can see in the Bitcoin, and before that consolidation you can see a wipe out of the stop losses on this. So let's go back to Ethereum, and on the Ethereum as well, you will see the same pattern. You can see the wipe out of the stop losses. I would duplicate it here, like so. So what happened for Ethereum is that after this consolidation, Ethereum went down below this stop loss point and is currently here. So if hypothetically, if we were to say somehow that Bitcoin is going to do the same, well, usually it doesn't happen. Bitcoin does not follow the Ethereum, but somehow, just because of this indicates some kind of psychology in investment. This is the psychology that people were not being able to decide what to do next. Then the bulls decided to give up. So we can have the same thing, almost the same thing here as well. Let's say we are in a phase where the the bulls are and the bears, they are not being able to decide what to do, and eventually there is a chance that same thing like Ethereum could happen. If that happens, we must get ready for $25,000 level, let's just say that. So there is a possible chance that this is going to happen for Bitcoin as well. Anyways, this was just the thing I wanted to point out to you guys, so that you can, manage your trades and do whatever you think is good for you. Let's just delete this stuff quickly and move on to the analysis. Okay, this was the daily time frame. Let's hop into the shorter time frame and see what is happening in Ethereum locally at the local time frames. So you can see almost the same pattern I'm talking about, the same pattern, but there is something like a head and shoulder at the end before it falls down. Let me just, out of curiosity, let me just see if we can spot anything like that on Bitcoin as well. We might get an idea if there's a possible chance that this thing could happen. Let's come here. It's fine. So you can see we have some kind of head and shoulder pattern at this place. We can see that. However, we have broken the range as well. So there's a chance that, like, this is the 4-hourly candle, there's a very huge chance that we can go below that and we can go back to this level, like $25,000 level. So this will be the target first. If it just copies the Ethereum, just like Ethereum, only then. I'm not sure if it's gonna do the same thing. Anyways, so talking about Ethereum, we can't say anything. It's just simply going down just because of Bitcoin and overall market status and world affairs as well, inflation hitting in. So however, I can try to find some targets for you guys, like here. So this would be the target if you are looking for an entry on Ethereum. That could be your target. You can place a small, let's say, limit order at this place. If you want to, if you want to take a trade, this will be probably the safe place to, take an entry, and it's like 15.5 something area. I would name it major support. So okay, Control Z, let's just go there. So that's the next major support zone that I'm looking onto, and I expect a little, a little bounce from this place. If it goes there, I expect a bounce from this place. So this is currently all for Ethereum. So thank you so much if you have been watching video till the end. I hope you have subscribed to the channel and also like the video. Invite your friends to this channel, and you can also join the community. The link is in the description. See you in the next video.